Hi, fourth graders. Okay, I'm going to do a quick review for your story that you're going to be writing. So, remember last week, Miss Reyes taught you about plot. Actually, it was a review, but remember that every strong story follows the same narrative structure. So, it has that beginning, middle, and end. And fourth graders, remember that we were using this planning map to help us before all of this started. So feel free if you want, grab a piece of paper. You can draw this really easily. It might look something more like this, but you can definitely draw one of these if you'd like to. Just remember that every strong story does have that beginning, middle, and end. Okay. And you might use some transition words in your story for today. So you might use transition words like the next day, in a while, before long, or in our backyard, or out in the garage, or at the playground, or another reason, finally, to sum up, in conclusion. Um, you can use any of these, or maybe you have some that uh, you really have enjoyed. Like I know Bella, she uses a couple that she just has remembered over the years. So think about some transition words that just help that story flow a little better. Um, and then remember that your story should grab the reader's attention and keep the reader's attention. So one of the ways that you can do this is to show me and not tell me. Sorry, let me make this go away. Ah, well, down here at the beginning, it does say show me, not tell me. So, for example, Brian clenched his fist. Let me see. I can't see it. Sorry. It says Brian clenched his fists in tight balls. Within seconds, he erupted like a volcano. That would be something that shows me, right? I can really visualize that in my head. Telling me would be something like Brian was angry. Hi, Brian. I use you as an example. Um, and some ways to do this, to show me and not tell me. Think about what is your mouth doing. So, for example, you could say she pursed her lips together tightly. Or what would your stomach be doing? Red hot lava began to form in her stomach. Or what would your eyes be doing? Her eyes narrowed and she glared at me. What would your heart be doing? His chest began to burn and she became, oh, sorry, that should be, and he became a fire burning dragon, fire breathing dragon. What would your hands be doing? She put her hands on her hips. What would your feet be doing? She stomped up the stairs and slammed the door. So, really thinking about that picture in your mind, and adding those juicy details, not telling me that someone's angry or someone's happy, but showing me that someone's happy or angry. All right, so here's the story that you're going to be writing. So you can choose your best or your worst day ever. In between regular days, we all have best days and worst days. Some days everything goes right, and other days nothing goes right. Write a story about either your best day or your worst day ever. Include a beginning, middle, and end in your story. Explain when and where this day happened. Explain who might have been with you during this day. Explain how you might have felt during this day, the best or worst day, and then use details and descriptions within your story. So I'm going to post this PowerPoint too, but remembering to show me and not tell me, these transition words will be in the PowerPoint too. Don't forget that you can totally draw yourself out a story map if you would like. I'm going to exit this and end this presentation. Let me know if you have any questions.